malaki-laki. So this is a good way to kind of measure up where they stand against the top-tier teams in their division.
Mike Mabulak, one-hander, gets it to go. First basket para sa Binyan. Alanes drives high off the glass and in. Valenzuela City on the board. Lastimosa on the right side. Shot clock winding down. Bonifacio forcing his way in, and he was able to score against a plethora of defenders.
And that's why yung high pick and roll nila crucial yan kasi nagkakaroon ng enough space yung mga big men na ito ng Binyan. Samantalang quick offense again para sa Valenzuela. That will work to their favor if they keep pushing for that.
Bounce pass, threading the needle, and the recipient of that was Carlo Lastimosa.
Ball game, but the second offense opportunity para sa kanya kung saan offense was flowing through Carlos Lastimosa.
Olegario off balance, hits it anyway. Olegario pumihit, really looking for a shot early. Lastimosa bumit-bit, hangs in the air and scores. Double team comes, Mabulak trapped in the corner. Naagawan ng tuluyan, but a counter steal. Ball is loose. Pamboy recovers. Lastimosa jacks up a free. It's good. And the hope for them is in the long run.
And hindi nag-iiba yung identity ng ng Binyan kung sino man ipasok nila kasi magkakadikit yung style of play. And again, Lastimosa continues to wax hot in this ball game.
18-7.
Kaya napansin ko lang, parang wala pa akong game na kino-cover or game day na walang player na nagsusuot ng magkaibang sapatos sa... Ngayon, si Mike Mabulak, gano'n naman yung sapatos. Parang nauuso yata itong style of fashion.
18-10. Actually, ako hindi ko pa na-try yan.
Ang hirap niyan kasi ibig sabihin dalawang pares ng sapatos yung kailangan mong bilhin. Parang walang bihira naman may nagbebenta na magkaiba yung itsura, di ba? Medyo lalim ng Binyan. Ngayon, we can see Cabanero has just entered the ball game. But then, also Collado, this is another guy that can definitely do some damage.
Matching up against his former teammate in Mike Mabulak. Pamboy. Bonifacio pulls the trigger and scores from the elbow. Alanes pumukol sa tres. Gumulong palabas. The tip in from the weak side is good from CJ Alatica. Nagmamadali si Lastimosa. Pull-up jumper over Collado. Automatic. 14 points for Carlo Lastimosa.
There is very, very little people who can stop. Again, nagsisimula yan sa fast break niya, di ba? Pagka he's running the floor. But just the variety of options and firepower for Lastimosa. On the other hand, failed fast break attempt, but they're gonna get a foul.
Ngayon, magkalaban na naman sila. Bounce pass, Gimpayan, extra feed. Mabulak has mastered that short-range shot.
Nung nawala si Olegario, biglang bumagal. Ito, nagkaroon ng stunt doon sa offensive. But again, that's kind of what you're looking for, di ba? Yung medyo deliberate para sa Valenzuela, not working too well for them. Quick offense bago pa mag-settle yung depensa ng Binyan.
Hindi si Cabanero, pero nandoon para sa putback si Waray Gimpayan.